coward of the county. He never stood one single time to prove the county wrong. His mama named him Tommy, but folks just call him Yellow. Something always told me they were reading Tommy wrong. He was only 10 years old when his daddy died in prison. I looked after Tommy cause he was my brother's son. I still recall the final words my brother said to Tommy. Son, my life is over, but yours has just begun. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. It won't mean you're weak if you turn the other cheek. I hope you all enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. There's someone for everyone. Tommy's love was backing. In her arms, he didn't have to prove he was a man. One day while he was working, the Gatlin boys came calling. They took turns backing, and there was 3 of them. Tommy opened up the door and saw his back crying. Someone dressed the shattered load, more than he could spend. Here's a burnt fireplace, and took down his daddy's picture. As tears fell on daddy's face, he heard his words again. Promise me, son, not to do the things I've done. Walk away from trouble if you can. It won't mean you're weak if you turn the other cheek. I hope you're old enough to understand. Son, you don't have to fight to be a man. The Gatlin boys just laughed at him when he walked into the barroom. One of them got up, met him half across the front. When Tommy turned around and said, "Hey, look old Yellow's leaving." But you could have a pin drop when Tommy stopped and locked the door. 20 years of growing were bottled up inside him. Wasn't holding nothing back, let them have it all. When Tommy left the barroom, now the Gatlin boy was standing. He said, "This one's for Becky," as he watched the last one fall. And I heard him say, "Promise you, Dad, not to do the things you've done. Walked away from trouble when I can. Now please don't think I'm weak, I didn't turn the other cheek. And Papa, I should hope you understand. Sometimes you gotta fight when you're a man." Everyone considered him the coward of